African and American leaders gathered in the US financial capital of New York City. But this was more than just an opportunity to drum up business. It was a chance to show the rich opportunities of the African continent.
When you have the two partners actually sit down in the room and say that, well, this is the problem on my side, that's the problem on your side, you can have an honest conversation that opens doors. And I dare say that even within just these 2 hours of engagement here, we're seeing doors open. We're seeing a new understanding of what the possibilities are.
There are concerns that the US is missing out on chances in some of Africa's biggest business hubs. Almost a decade ago, China surpassed America as the continent's largest trading partner, prompting Ghana's finance minister to challenge American investors to take note of Africa before time runs out.
For your own strategic interests as Americans, how do you see then Africa, which is going to be a quarter of the world's population and a youthful population that's going to consume, to anybody else?
But one of the biggest barriers to US investment appears to be outdated preconceptions. Justin DeAngelis from Denham Capital is involved in investing in energy projects on the continent.
The perception is that Africa is just too hard to get anything done. There's, people view that there's this no rule of law, that there's no sanctity of contract, that everyone's corrupt. And I think that is very much so in this conception.
Last month, at least 44 countries signed on to the African Continental Free Trade Area, aiming to boost individual economies and intra-African trade. Africans here hope that will also encourage Americans to see the external economic possibilities. One of the common themes coming out of this roadshow is the need to break down those negative preconceptions that Africa is an economically and financially backward continent with limited business potential. Instead, leaders here are telling America that Africa is now the land of opportunity. Nick Harper, CGTN, New York.